It's important to choose a career path that lines up with your individual interests, goals, and passions. Stark State College's Learn to Earn program is the perfect opportunity for high school students like you to get a head start on your career by gaining real-world work experience and skills. Learn to Earn is partnered with E.C.P Auto Repair and Service to give you the opportunity to earn college credit while working in the field and honing your craft. At E.C.P Auto Repair and Service, treating customers like family sets them apart from the competition. Skilled technicians have years of experience fixing a variety of automotive issues, such as brakes, suspension, air conditioning, and they have advanced computer diagnostics for check engine lights and ABS systems. They strive to fix things right the first time, keeping customers happy and on the road. Joining the internship program at E.C.P Auto Repair and Service is a fantastic opportunity to immerse yourself in the auto repair industry and gain valuable experience. If you have a passion for vehicles and want to gain the necessary skills to turn your passion into a career, then this is an excellent pathway for you. E.C.P Auto Repair and Service offers job shadowing experiences for positions such as lube technicians and full service technicians. Job shadowing will supply you with the knowledge and skills to turn automotive repair into a career. And auto repair technicians are in high demand all across the country. The Learn to Earn program is perfect for motivated students looking to gain in-demand skills, develop connections, and find a lucrative career soon after graduation, setting you apart from future applicants, all while earning college credits that you can use toward your degree. Don't wait any longer to start your career. Talk to your school counselor about how to enroll in the Learn to Earn program. Interested in taking a tour of E.C.P Auto Repair and Service? Contact Ryan Palmer, Stark State Enrollment Representative, today.